How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm gonna share with you how I made this big Zulu or big Zulu type beat. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna play the beat first, then I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat. Okay, that was the beat. Sorry. So the first thing is the BPM. I'm using 149, as you can see. Okay, so the first one, let's build the rhythm, okay, of the beat. You must first copy the rhythm or the style of the beat, so then you can go ahead with your beat making. Okay, so the first one, I'm using this clap. Okay, it goes like this. Let me loop where all the instruments are playing together. Okay. Okay, so the next one is this one. This peg. We are just building the rhythm for the drums, okay? Okay, next one, very easy. Next one, I'm using this peg, then I've played this. Okay, next one. What's this? This is what is this? Another peg. Boom. Boom. Okay. Next one is the kick. Guys, okay, very basic. Cuckoo. Next one, the head. Okay, then another head, just to give some little feel. Okay. Okay, very basic. So now let's go to the music. For the first, I'm using this preset, cool one. This is a bass preset, but just play these chords. This is just E minor, so it's E major or E. I'm repeating again, then I go to, this is a B major, then A major. Okay. This is just a little swing, it's the same first chord, okay? Next one, I think I've copied the same progression. This time I'm using this preset, do almost from this AS player and this Insomnia Bank, okay? The same chord progression and this, okay? What's this? This is a organ, okay? As you can see, organ, those almost, okay? It sounds like this. Okay, next one, another preset, but same chord progression, I think. Another organ, lateral vision, okay? Then it goes like this. Nice sounding. Okay, next one, again, same chord progression, but different preset. This time I'm using this blue rhythm. It just creates some little pattern, guitar pattern. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. The same chord progression, but with different rhythm. Okay, very nice. Next one. Okay, let's just listen how the chord sounds all together. Okay, next one. Let me mute all. Another preset. This one is Rainbow Flanger. Flange is a guitar. Okay. Then I've played this melody. Okay, very basic. Next one. Another preset. But again, the same plugin AS Play. I'm using this Good Times Delay. It's another guitar. Okay. From this bang. I've played this melody. Just repeating over and over. Okay, so next one, what's this? I think it's the bass. Okay, the bass from this preset, solid bass one from this BX Oberhausen plugin. I've played this groove. Okay, then next one. This is a synth bass. I've just copied the same chord, the same root. The root notes. Okay, only. Okay, the preset is this one. Deep distro from brass. Okay, then this effect for the transition. Okay, that's it for the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. If you did like, just consider subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next content. Thanks. Let's listen to the beat once again, and that's it for the tutorial.